Hello and welcome to Flugradar24. In this quick video guide, I'll explain how to use the flight radar on this page. Start the flight radar by clicking on Start. After the flight radar is fully charged, you can now start tracking aircraft. You can zoom in or out on the map by using the mouse wheel on your PC or with your two fingers on your smartphone. Hold the map with the left mouse button, or with one finger on your smartphone to move the map. Now select an aircraft on the map and click on it. Now the marked aircraft is tracked, and all important data are displayed in the bar on the left. Here you can also see the departure airport, as well as the destination airport, the departure time and the expected arrival time. If you zoom out of the map, you'll also see the relative flight route on the lines shown. If you now select another aircraft, the previously marked aircraft will no longer be tracked. The data in the sidebar also changes. Do you want to track an aircraft using a flight number? Then please enter a valid flight number under the radar in the search bar. Please confirm your entry by clicking on the button. A new window opens where the flight is displayed, provided you have entered a valid flight number. The aircraft is now being tracked in real time, and you can watch it in peace. For example, this flight goes from Dubai to Dublin, the capital of Ireland. For the departure and arrival times, you must also take into account the respective time zone of the countries. On Flugradar24 you can also navigate directly to certain airports via the menu item Flight Radar. You need precise and planned departure or arrival times at a specific airport. Then please look under the menu item Airport. You should know that you will not normally see military aircraft on this flight radar. However, from time to time you may spot jets or similar types of aircraft, but also helicopters and certain gliders are displayed. Do you have any questions? Then please use our contact form. Finally, I wish you a lot of fun on Flugradar24, and stay healthy.